Hello everyone, welcome back to our AI learning series. In today's video, we are going to understand the AI project cycle in a very simple way. So, what is the AI project cycle? It is a step-by-step process used to build an artificial intelligence solution to solve a problem. Let's understand each step one by one. The first step is problem scoping. In this step, we clearly define the problem that we want to solve using AI. For example, creating a system that can recommend videos to users. The second step is data collection. Here, we collect relevant data that will help the AI system learn. This data can be images, text, videos, or numbers. The third is data exploration. In this step, we understand and analyze the data. We check patterns, remove errors, and prepare the data for the next step. The fourth step is modeling. This is where we train the AI model using the data. The system learns patterns and tries to make predictions or decisions. The final step is evaluation. In this step, we check how well our AI model is performing. If the results are not good, we go back and improve the model. So, the AI project cycle includes 5 main steps: problem scoping, data collection, data exploration, modeling, and evaluation. This cycle helps us create effective and accurate AI solutions. In conclusion, the AI project cycle is like a roadmap that guides us in building AI systems step by step. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy learning videos.